Now see this problem. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. Here you have to draw the diagram. Read the question carefully and try it. It is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Means draw a quadrilateral with circle inside it touching its all the sides. Now what you have to prove? You have to prove opposite sides subtends supplementary angle, that is 180 degree. Now let us consider one pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral. Now here consider CD and AB. Now CD subtends angle COD at the center and AB subtends angle AOB at the center. Therefore you have to prove that angle COD plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. Here you have to find out angle COD and angle AOB. Now angle COD is angle ROC plus angle ROD. Similarly, find out angle POB and angle POA. For finding this, you can use congruency of a triangle. Here CD and AB are tangents, and we know tangents are perpendicular to the radius, and the length of the tangents drawn from an external points to a circle are equal. So in our figure dr equal to ds. Now consider triangle ODR and triangle OSD. Here OR equal to OS because both are radius. Then OD equal to OD, both common, and angle ORD equal to angle OSD. The reason is DS and DR are tangents, and we know tangents are perpendicular to the radius. Therefore triangle ODR congruent triangle OSD by RHS, and therefore angle ODR equal to angle ODS equal to A by CPCT. Similarly, angle OAS equal to angle OAP equal to B. Similarly, angle OBP equal to angle OBQ equal to C, and angle OCQ equal to angle OCR equal to D. Now we will find the angles made at the center, that is angle ROD equal to 90 minus A and angle SOD equal to 90 minus A. Similarly, angle SOA equal to 90 minus B and angle POA equal to 90 minus B. Then angle POB equal to 90 minus C and angle QOB equal to 90 minus C. Similarly, angle QOC equal to 90 minus D and angle ROC equal to 90 minus D. We know sum of angle around a point is 360, and here it is around the center of the circle, that is O. So add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get angle ROD plus angle SOD plus angle SOA plus angle POA plus angle POB plus angle QOB plus angle QOC plus angle ROC equal to 360. And we know the reason is angle around a point is 360. We know angle ROD and angle SOD both are same, that is 90 minus A. So their sum is 2 into 90 minus A. Similarly, angle SOA and angle POA both are same. So their sum is 2 into 90 minus B. Then angle POB and angle QOB both are same and their sum is 2 into 90 minus C. And angle QOC and angle ROC both are same. So we are writing their sum as 2 into 90 minus D, and this is equal to 360. Now take 2 common. So our equation becomes 90 minus A plus 90 minus B plus 90 minus C plus 90 minus D equal to 180. And 90 minus A plus 90 minus B, this is nothing but angle COD, and 90 minus C plus 90 minus D, this is nothing but angle AOB, and therefore angle COD plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree, and hence proved. So opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle.